Are you ready to boost your income as an online teacher and make some serious cash online? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share 6 incredible passive income ideas that will have you saying cha-ching in no time. So let's dive in, shall we? Make sure to stay until the end because I'll share my best piece of advice for teachers who are wanting to add on those passive income streams. My name is Katie Geddes and I am a full-time online music studio owner and a teacher business coach. Make sure to grab my online teacher's guide to diversify, linked below. My first passive income idea for online teachers is teaching flexible schedule classes on Outschool. If you haven't heard of Outschool yet, it's an amazing platform for online teaching that connects students with online teachers. The best part is you get to create your own classes, set your own schedule, and reach students from all over the world. And better yet, flexible schedule classes are basically pre-recorded courses. There are no live meetings, you just provide pre-made materials and assignments for them every week. You can correspond by discussion board messages or video messages. It's honestly all up to you and how you design your flex class. If you are interested in creating classes for the Outschool platform, then definitely make sure to check out my class ideas that sell video next. Okay, moving on to my second passive income idea for online teachers. Have you ever considered becoming an organization and hiring teachers to teach under you? By building a team of talented teachers, you can expand your reach and offer a wider range of courses as well. You'll receive all the payments from Outschool and then it's up to you to pay your teachers at their agreed upon rate. So because of this, it's possible to generate passive income for yourself while supporting other educators. Talk about a win-win. If you're interested in learning more about this, then definitely check out this video next to learn more about Outschool organizations. Now let's chat about my third passive income idea for teachers to make money online, and that is selling resources on Teachers Pay Teachers. If you've already spent hours creating engaging lessons, worksheets, any educational materials, why not put these up on the TPT platform? You can share them with other teachers and earn cash for every time that they're downloaded. Teachers Pay Teachers is a fantastic and trusted marketplace by teachers where you can sell resources, teachers can purchase the resources for their classroom. Of course, it takes some upfront work of creating the resource, putting it up on the platform, marketing that resource, but then from every time it's sold, you've already put in the work and it can build exponentially for years to come. In my first year in TPT, I was able to earn $3,000 just from putting up resources that I had already created. If you want to see a breakdown of my month-by-month earnings in that first year, then definitely check this video out next after you finish this one. My fourth passive income idea for teachers to make money online is hosting a membership. With a membership, you can provide exclusive content, resources, and ongoing support to a community of educators. You can charge a monthly or a yearly fee. Because this is a one-to-many approach, you can charge a reasonable rate that teachers can actually afford, and the more teachers who join, the more your income will grow, but your hours won't necessarily have to grow in exchange for that. Over time, this can be really scalable. I actually have a membership myself. It's called the Online Teacher Academy. We have monthly challenges, we have a course library, monthly Q&A call, and more. So if you want to learn more about it, then you can head to the links below and check it out. My fifth passive income idea for teachers to make money online is by referring teachers. If you're already an Outschool teacher or a teacher for another platform, why not spread the word and earn some extra money while you're at it? Outschool has a referral program that rewards you for bringing in new teachers. How it works is once that teacher makes their first $100, you earn $200. So not only will you get to help out your fellow educators by discovering a fantastic platform and potentially changing their life, honestly, but you'll also earn an extra little bonus for every successful referral. Speaking of which, I give my referrals a free resource packet to any teachers who use my own referral code. So if you're looking to get started on Outschool, then you should definitely check that out below. All right, last but not least, let's talk about my sixth idea for teachers to build passive income online, which is affiliate marketing. As an online teacher, you've likely come across some really useful tools, your favorite programs, your favorite software that could really benefit other educators like you. So you could become an affiliate for these products, recommend them to other teachers, and then you'll earn a commission for every sale made from your audience. It's a great way to monetize your recommendations and generate passive income just by promoting things that you already love. Okay, wait, here is an essential bonus tip that I have for you that so many teachers often overlook as they start building passive income streams for themselves. And it's this: you have to pick and stick. When it comes to generating passive income ideas as a teacher, you get caught up in the whirlwind of ideas that you're so excited to get started with. We want to do it all, right? But let me tell you, spreading yourself out too thin, it can delay your progress, and of course it can make you feel so overwhelmed. So here's my suggestion: focus on building up one stream of income. Once that stream of income is at a financial place that you're happy with, make it easy, systematize it, then you can focus on building up a second stream of income. By picking just a couple of core strategies to go with, you'll be able to build a solid foundation and of course sustainable income growth in the long run. All right, if you thought that this video was helpful, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.